Sosa. Fast break na yun.
May tawag si referee
Bang! Galing! Mars, yung basket is good. Mars 3. Bang! Good! Fire off the glass. That's good for 2.
Erika.
Easy basket, Sosa. Floater shot, basket is good. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die semifinals ng Kabramit 2024 para sa laban ng Cagayan versus Ilagan City, Isabela. Ngayon sa jump ball. First ball possession for Team Cagayan. Plays up, wala pa rin.
Winners of 100 meters secondary boys from the school division of
Plays up, first blood.
and Bataan National
Sosa.
High School
Pass it to
School
Alinan.
Division
Pass back,
of
Sosa.
Cagayan. Maramag Moises
Didiskarte,
G.
atake. Pass sa gitna, fire. Wala pa rin.
Number 10, De La Rosa.
Oop, recover. Launch 3 wide open. No good.
Hirap to the score.
And
And
for
Cordero
gold
pass.
medal from Mahataw National High School of the Schools Division of
Aguilan.
Batangas, Rorela
Fire. Basket is good. For Sosa. Unit B, TC basket.
Boy.
Number 23, the 13,
Launch 3.
Tres.
No good.
Number 6, number 10,
Pass inside. Kakaldag.
Tagi.
Fire.
No good.
Pass break.
Play.
Good for 2. Sosa.
And a gold
Side
medal
step.
from
Kick
Cordon
out.
National
Launch
High
3.
School.
Bullseye! It's number 23. On the corner 3.
Silver medal
Bang!
from the
Bullseye.
Daisy Reed.
Pass and fires off the glass. Tamangan mga idol. Step back.
And gold medal from
Kapitan.
Godan Elementary School
Ano
of
dito?
SDO
Sosa.
Cagayan.
Diretso.
Ortiz Ma Francesca.
De La Rosa, last 1 minute.
Floater. Basket is good. Plays up. Yes sir.
Thank you so much. Our senior.
Kakaldag. Create space. Fade away and basket is good. Atake si Sosa. Alinan. Open for 3. No good.
Last 19 seconds.
Pass break. Oh, basket and 1.
Binaraw, Marian Colleen, College, the presence,
Good
of
for
the
two.
supportive board, Honorable Evan J. Cipias.
Things
Welcome
fine.
to Cabra
Yes, sir.
2024.
Cordero. Launch 3. No good. Good pass. That's Molina.
Number 14, guys. Sosa, to the derecho.
Pinasa.
Good
Good back shot. Yes sir. Alina.
That is score, 16-17.
Oh, kalusot. Side step. Cordero. Cordero.
Number 15, to Sosa.
The middle.
Huli, pero tulog.
Pumasok.
Tuloy.
Alinan.
24.
Ladies and gentlemen,
No good.
the medalists for the
Alina.
3,000 meter
Cordero.
steeple chase secondary boys
Sosa.
Number 10.
in the schools division
Rospas.
of Nueva Vizcaya,
Number 10. Number 15.
Quirino
Sa tres.
and
Bang! Galit!
Thank you.
Lumpas.
29 to number 24.
Three.
Bumalik.
No good.
Bumalik.
Yung pass break ngayon.
Number 6.
Pinasag. Basket and one!
Sosa. Good turn, no good.
Back shot. Good.
Number 6.
Molina.
medal from Mandela Comprehensive High School of SDO.
To number
Number
12.
12.
Diretso. Steal. Number 22 to number 25.
Bars. Basket is good. Henry's team Cagayan.
Number 12 to number
Torres.
9.
Number 9, Alinan.
200 meters secondary girls. SDO
Value
to be
pass
Giraud
and
City.
basket is good.
Bronze medal from Carig Integrated School of the SDO to Gigarao City. Rosario
Flores.
Francine
Number
Joby
12.
B.
Number 9
Alinan.
to number 5.
Launch 3. Bang!
Number 23.
Fire off the glass. That's good for 2. Torres.
Number 12.
Pass it to Alinan. Sa gitna. Tatkad. Fire. No good.
Medal winners for the 200
Adam
meters
Torres.
secondary girls. Congratulations.
Diretso.
Pass inside. Alinan. Good for 2.
Sampu na po ang kalabangan ng Cagayan.
Sa 3. No good.
Offensive rebound.
Put back.
Pass.
Pass break. All alone. Easy basket.
Right. Kick out.
For 3.
For 3.
No good.
And
For the inbound. Number 14. To the middle. Fires. Basket is good. Torres. Pass back. Torres. Alinan. Torres. Open for 3. No good.
Last 10 seconds.
Corner 3. No good. Minus Torres. Pass break. Pull up J. That's the end of the Magani. Sosa. Pass inside.
and gold medal from Cordon South Central Annex of SDO Isabela.
Break na yun.
Retamal
Sosa.
Erica.
Sosa.
Easy basket. Sosa.
For number 10. Diretso.
Floater. Basket is good.
Sosa.
Sosa.
Getting the play.
Sosa.
Thank you and congratulations, winners
Launch 3.
of 200 meters
Put back
elementary
shot.
girls.
Ali.
Onto Linan.
Side step kick out.
Extra pass. To number 12.
Floater shot. No good. Put back. Off the glass. That's good for 2.
Sosa.
Sosa. To number 4.
For Tajo.
Tajo. Sosa. For the inbound. Cross pass. Launch 3. No good.
Number 23.
Attacks. Kicks out. Matatapitan.
Tignan Nagaw. Number 10.
First, inside shoot. Floater shot. Basket is good. Attacks. Pass inside. Ilalabas ang bola. Look for the receiver. From the middle.
10.
10 seconds.
Bronze
Stop.
medalist from NBGCHS of SDO
Sosa.
Valdizcaya, Lagmay
Pasok yan, Sosa. Number 23. Cross pass.
Silver
Eight.
medalist from
Corner
Paris
three.
School of Arts
No
and
good.
Trades of SDO
break, Sosa.
Cagayan, Alario Jerwin Art.
Pass inside. Alley-oop pass. Saktong-sakto.
And our gold medalist
Bounce pass.
from Santo Tomas National High
Patres.
School of
No good.
SDO Isabela, Soriano Rodney.
Floater. Basket is good.
Schools Division Superintendent of SDO Cagayan, Sir Raymante Caligiran, and
3 minutes 44 seconds. Kick out. Launch free.
Maritas
No good.
Llanes, Ma'am
Put
Maritas
back.
Llanes,
Wala pa rin.
and Sir
Sosa.
Romel Liban of SDO Cagayan. We will request to
Five.
award the
Wala.
400-meter hurdle for secondary
Kuha ni
points.
number 4.
Thank you so much.
Fire of the glass. Good for 2. That's good. So, corner 3. No good. Bounce pass.
400 meters hurdles, secondary
Pass back.
points.
Kick out.
SDO
Three.
Isabela.
Bang! Papa-defense ngayon dito ang Timilagan. Mabawi sa 3. No good. Fade away shot. Basket is good. Kick out. Pull up J. No good.
And for gold medal
Rebound.
from
Put back
Burgos
shot. Wala pa
National
rin.
High School
Inaalat.
of the Schools Division of Isabela, Pakul, Shirley and C.
Floater shot. Basket is good. Fires. Basket is good. That's the end of the third quarter. Number 12. Passing.
And
Kick
gold
out.
medal
Attacks.
from Turot
Fire.
Sur Elementary
No good.
School of SDO
Number 11.
Isabela, Agapito
Pass inside.
Angel.
To the middle. One dribble fire. Dear friendly Lord. That's good. Number 12. Fires. Basket is good. That's backhand. Rivera. Pass back. Attack. Fire. Basket is good. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. Launch 3. For the backdoor inbound. Looking for receiver. Kicks out. Attacks. Fire. No good. Put back. Still put back. Yes, sir. Number 23. Floater shot. Good for 2. Rivera. Bounce pass. Floater shot. Basket is good. Release Timilagan. Kicks out. Attacks. Floater shot. Basket is good. Pass break. Nagawan. Kicks out. Fires. Basket. Ibababang bola. To Molina. Kicks out. Cordero. Hands po sa loob. Virsosa. Attacks. Pull out. Floater is good. That's sauce. Launch 3. Bang! Bullseye!
Congratulations, our dear cheer athletes. Announcement, ladies and
Lays
gentlemen,
up.
we will
Good
resume
for
the
two.
awarding program.
Cordero. Pass inside. Pass back. Launch 3. No good. Oh, good for 2. Attack 16. Oh, what a move! Basket and one.
Yan. Sosa,
Sosa.
dribbling the ball.
Cordero. Salinan.
10 to shoot.
Sosa. Pass back Sosa. Attacks. Lays up. Sosa! Number 13. Lays up. No good.
Last
Sosa.
130.
Oops, nagawan. Pass inside, fires. Easy basket. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Oops. Attacks, pumangga, tumira, wala. Wait, nagmamadali. Oh, basket and one. Fire.
Foul in the up. Bola Cagayan. May tawag si referee pa.
And that's the end of the game.
Both teams.
Congratulations, Team
Payapang
Cagayan.
natapos. And of course,
Advance to the
winner,
final.
Team Cagayan. To the officiating officials, Chapelton.